Some faceless YouTube channels are making thousands of dollars every single month quietly with no camera, no studio, no setup. And I'm going to show you how you can do this in the next 5 minutes using AI tools that you can access for free right now. There are 5 steps to running a faceless YouTube channel, and most people get stuck on step number 1. So without further ado, follow along and follow these steps so you can actually see how people make thousands of dollars every single month without even showing their face. Let's get into the video. Okay guys, so step 1 is to find a viral niche. I would highly recommend that you go to YouTube and that you will do some research on niches that are already trending and that are popping off in the last 3 months. So I would highly recommend that you also go into a niche that you are obsessed with. For example, a lot of people do AI, news, or even psychology. Step 1, find a viral niche. Guys, I would highly recommend that you go to YouTube and that you will do some research. You need to take your time to actually find a viral niche, something that you are obsessed with. For example, a lot of people do news, AI, crypto, or even something like psychology, but you need to go and do some research on YouTube, and you need to find reels or shorts that are popping off in the last 3 months, and you need to go and make sure that you are actually obsessed with that topic. Because if you're obsessed with that topic, that will just drive you to actually create more content and to create better quality content, which in the long run will mean a better outcome. So that means more views and thousands of dollars rolling in if you actually do your niche research properly and if you find something that you are obsessed with. For example, I like making videos about AI tools and crypto, so that is a viral niche that is already popping off. I'm copying the trends and I have done my research, and now I can run multiple faceless channels doing what I love. Okay guys, so step 2 is to actually write your scripts with AI, and there are 2 tools that I mainly use for this, and that is ChatGPT and Claude. So recently I actually switched from ChatGPT, where I am now using Claude because it has newer models and because they have the co-work feature as well. But you guys need to make sure that you actually type in a very good prompt into Claude or even ChatGPT, because if you typed in a lazy prompt, you will get a lazy outcome and you will get a lazy script. So in order to have a good script, you need to type in a proper prompt. So for example, I can say, make a short about AI that is 30 seconds long. Guys, for example, that is a very lazy short. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is an example of a very lazy prompt right here. Make a short about AI that is 30 seconds long. You're not specifying anything. ChatGPT has to go and find a wide variety of different things about AI and create it into a script that might not even suit what you wanted, or that might not even be in the correct niche that you wanted. For example, you might do AI tools that can code or create a website, but this AI is something completely different. So I would highly recommend that you put some time into these 2 tools, that you would go to Claude and you would go to ChatGPT and you would actually work out a very detailed prompt. For example, what the video should be about, how long it should be it be in complicated language, should it be non-AI, should it be AI. Usually what I do is I would actually go and specify that it should make it as humanized as possible. So the more effort you put into your prompt, the better the result will be and the better your video will be, which means thousands of dollars will actually roll into your account if you stick with this and you stay consistent, because a lazy prompt like this is not going to get you anywhere and is definitely not going to get you viral. Step 3 is to add a human sounding voiceover. So if you don't have a microphone, or you're shy on camera, or you don't want to reveal your voice to stay anonymous, because that is kind of the whole point of making a faceless YouTube channel, you can use this tool called ElevenLabs. So ElevenLabs is actually where you can have multiple different features of turning text to speech. You can change your voice and you can use multiple different actors to get a human sounding voiceover. For example, right here, you can see we are in ElevenLabs. I'll leave the link to all of the tools that I used in this video down in the description so you can go and check them out. For example, you can go to voices. You can actually search. For example, you can see here Adam, we have Chuck. You can see right here, you can curated language. So they have different languages available as well. So whether you're Arabic, Bulgarian, English, whatever language it is, ElevenLabs will have that. So you can see conversational, narration, characters, social media. For example, you can see my voices. I've already added these voices. So I have a British voice right here and a Welsh voice as well. So we can go on to Hannah.
Virtue is doing the right thing, even when no one is watching.
So as you can hear, guys, it actually sounds like a real human. So like I said before, if you don't have a microphone or you don't have the time to actually sit and record a voiceover, you go to your two tools, ChatGPT or Claude, you paste in your script, and it actually converts it into a humanized voiceover. So that is something that is really useful, and that is step 3 of running a faceless YouTube channel. Step 4, arguably the most important step of the whole process of running a faceless channel, and that is to actually generate your visuals. So I'm going to hook you up with one of the best tools on the market right now, and this is Runway. And this is a tool that will allow you to turn your prompts into a cinematic video or visual. So all you have to do is you have to go to one of your two tools. Depending on which one you are using, whether it is Claude or ChatGPT, you need to type in a detailed prompt. Guys, remember, the more detailed your prompt is, the better your footage will turn out. And you can actually come here to Runway. I'll leave the link down in the description again. So you can literally go type in your prompt and it can convert it into cinematic video footage. For example, right here, you can use characters, robotics and autonomy, and general world models. So you literally can go, you type in your So all you do is you literally go in, you type in your prompt, and that is where you convert it into a cinematic visual. Like this, for example. This is all done by AI, and sometimes you can't even tell the difference, because if you want to go viral and you want to get millions of views, the best way to do it is to make sure that your quality of your footage is amazing. You want to have a visual or a video that stands out, grabs attention, and actually keeps the viewer engaged. You don't want those boring stock images and those boring stock videos, because that is way outdated. So I would highly recommend that you go and check out Runway so you can see how you can generate cool looking videos or visuals like this for yourself completely for free. Step 5 is you need to repurpose your visuals or your video into a short. So guys, this is where you are going to be using Opus Clip. So you need to go to opus.pro. This is also a free platform, or you can get a paid version to make it even better. And this is where you are going to be taking a long video or just your raw video footage and actually getting clips out of it to make YouTube shorts. So what you want to do is you want to go right here, you want to drop a long video, and what it will do is it will actually clip up your most important parts or the most exciting parts of your video and turn it into a short. So as you can see right here, people do it with YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, many different, TikTok as well. So you literally go, you drag in an entire long video like this, and you will get out a highlighted clip that is already optimized for YouTube Shorts. And this is what I use, guys. It takes hours usually going through your footage and editing out the best parts, where you can now go to Opus Clip, you literally paste it in, and you get a short ready to go, ready to post. And all you actually had to do was use your AI tools, Claude and ChatGPT, to type in multiple prompts. And after you've done that and you've used all of your tools, you follow the steps, you can literally paste it into Opus Clip and you can post on YouTube. And that is how easy it is to actually make videos for a faceless YouTube channel. So what is your excuse of not actually being consistent? Guys, this is a great way to make thousands of dollars each month without even using your voice or your face. So there you have it. And here is what nobody tells you: consistency beats automation. The channels that are doing really well are posting one good video every single week instead of posting 10 AI edited videos every single day. Okay guys, that will be a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload. And if you have any questions, please let us know in the comment section below. All of the AI tools will be linked down in the description of this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Cheers.